All right, so we're going to look at some applications of trig. So just to let you know, an angle of elevation is when, so if you're the observer here, it's when you look up from where you're standing, basically. And an angle of depression is down, so it's when you look down from where you're standing. Okay. So our first example, a swimming pool is 20 meters long and 12 meters wide. The bottom of the pool is slanted such that the water depth is 1.3 meters at the shallow end and 4 meters at the deep end. Find the angle of depression of the bottom of the pool. And I give you a diagram. You should draw the diagram if it's not there. Okay. So it says that the pool is slanted such that the water depth is 1.3 meters at the shallow end and then 4 meters at the deep end. So right here, this is also 1.3 meters. And then over here, we get a total of, when I add those together, 4 meters. Okay. So what we want to do is find the angle of depression at the bottom of the pool. So what is the angle theta right here? So I'm going to take, since this is a right triangle, I'm going to use tangent of theta is equal to, using my SOHCAHTOA rules, opposite would be 2.7 meters over 20 meters. Okay, this is my hypotenuse. So I'm going to use my inverse operation so that the ratio is now my input. And I'm solving for my angle. And in my calculator, I get 0.1335. Oh, wait, just kidding. What I get in radians is about 0.1342 radians, which is about equal to 7.69 degrees. Okay, and that's that one. Second one. At a point 200 feet from the base of the building, the angle of elevation to the top of the smokestack is 35 degrees. And so right here, 35 degrees. The angle of elevation, to the bottom of the smokestack is 35 degrees. And the angle of elevation to the top is 53. Find the height of the smokestack. So looking to the top of the smokestack is 53. To the bottom is 35. So we want to know just what the height of the smokestack right here is. So we just want to know the height of that. Okay, that was really hard to see. All right, so what we're going to do is I want to figure out, well, I can figure out what the smokestack is 200 feet. Okay, all right, so we're going to set up our right triangle using our 35 first. So for this guy right here, okay, so I have the tangent of 35 degrees is equal to just the bottom part, which is A over 200, okay? And then separately, the tangent of 53 degrees is equal to A plus S, so the whole height, over 200 feet. Okay, so now we can substitute in a value for A. So let's use this equation over here. I'm going to multiply both sides by 200. So 200 tangent 35 degrees, oops, that looks like 38. 35 degrees is equal to A. Now we're going to take that and substitute it in for A. So I get the tangent of 53 degrees is equal to 200 tangent 35 degrees plus s over 200. And I'm going to multiply by 200, cancel that. So I get, and then 200 tangent 53 degrees is equal to 200 tangent 35 degrees plus s. Subtract 200 tan 35 degrees. Another page. Subtract 200 tangent 35 degrees, and I get s is equal to about 125.37 feet. That's my dog playing with his best friend.